Ever heard of a floating post office? Nope, right? But on the banks of Kashmir's Dal Lake on wooden shikara boats, there is a 2-century-old, the only floating post office in the world. Situated near Nehru Park in Srinagar city, Jammu and Kashmir, this floating post office not only serves as the community living by the lake but also piques the curiosity of visiting tourists from all across the world. The floating post office Dal Lake, claimed to be the only one of its kind in the world, is built on an intricately carved maroon houseboat now moored on the western edge of the Dal Lake. This floating post office started back in 1953. Back then, people living near the lake needed a way to get their letters and postcards. So the local post department came up with the idea of delivering mails on the boats. Tourists would often come to stay in several of the community-owned houseboats. Back when there wasn't the internet or mobile phones, the postal service on boats was really important. They collected letters and postcards and sent them to the families back home. The floating post office was officially opened in 1970 by ministers and renovated in 2011. Being one of its kind architecture, the post office has now become an important part of tourist Kashmir spot. Now it's a special spot for tourists visiting Kashmir. Lots of travelers come just to send a postcard to their families. The stamps they use show Dal Lake, which is a tribute to its beauty. The visitors like to take pictures and post a special Shikara stamped postcard back home to keep a souvenir. There couldn't be a better souvenir, right? This post office in Srinagar, which is over 200 years old, existed even before Maharaja Hari Singh's rule and traces its origin back to the British era. Using a shikara, the postman has been delivering letters to houseboat for many years now, and this tradition goes on. In fact, in August 2011, the floating post office cum museum was formally launched by the former Chief Minister Umar Abdullah and Sachin Pilot. If there can be floating lakes and markets, then a floating post office shouldn't be a surprise. Next time you visit Kashmir, don't forget to send yourself a postcard as a souvenir from this unique floating post office. For more interesting videos, keep on watching NewsX.